Ways to make money online using Twitch. Here's how to become an affiliate or partner and start earning money on Twitch. Twitch affiliate. To become a Twitch affiliate, you need to meet the following requirements. Have at least 50 followers. Stream for at least 8 hours in the last 30 days. Stream on at least 7 different days in the last 30 days. Have an average of 3 concurrent viewers or more in the last 30 days. Follow all Twitch's community guidelines and terms of service. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to become a Twitch affiliate. Once accepted, you can start earning money from subscriptions, ads, and Twitch bits. To become a Twitch partner, you need to meet higher requirements than becoming an affiliate. Have a large audience and consistently stream quality content. Have at least 75 concurrent viewers. Stream for at least 12 hours in the last 30 days. Stream on at least 25 different days in the last 30 days. Have a consistent schedule and brand. If you meet these requirements, Twitch may invite you to become a partner. As a partner, you can earn more money than an affiliate, and have access to additional features such as custom emoticons, transcoding options, and more. Once you're a Twitch affiliate or partner, you can earn money from the following sources. Subscriptions. Viewers can pay to subscribe to your channel, which gives them perks such as ad-free viewing and access to custom emoticons. You can run ads on your stream, and earn a share of the revenue from the ads. Twitch Bits. Viewers can purchase Twitch Bits, which they can use to cheer you on during your stream. You earn a share of the revenue from the bits they purchase. Donations. Viewers can donate money to you through third-party platforms such as PayPal, Patreon, or Streamlabs. To receive your earnings, you need to set up a payment method in your Twitch account settings, such as PayPal or a bank account. Twitch will pay you directly, usually on a monthly basis. Thanks for watching this video about making money online using Twitch. As you can see, there are many ways to earn income on Twitch, whether you're a casual streamer or a dedicated content creator. By building a loyal audience and providing quality content, you can turn your Twitch channel into a source of income and potentially even a full-time job. With dedication, hard work, and creativity, the possibilities are endless on Twitch. So what are you waiting for? Start streaming, build your audience, and make some money online.